What else is gonna happen? I get laid off, I'm unemployed. The job that I applied for that I thought that I was gonna get, I didn't end up getting. They dragged me along through the entire process. I went through every interview. They told me how good I was, blah, blah, blah. And then at the end told me, no, you're not qualified. Bitch! I'm this close to losing my marbles! If I get with one more time, hey, I'm gonna blow my head off. Hey, I'm gonna stick my finger in an outlet. Hey, I'm gonna crash my car. Why can't anything just go right? Why can't anything just go smoothly? Why does my life have to be so complicated? They dangled a carrot in front of my face and then just ripped it away. Dragged me along through the entire interview process, went through 3 interviews, told me how good I was, and told me no, that they went with someone more qualified. Bitch! Then why did you drag me along? If I wasn't qualified enough for you, then why did you interview me 3 times? Huh? What if I just chew on a cord that's plugged in? Hey, what if I just stick a fork in the outlet? What if I chew on a cord that's plugged inside of a wall? I'm done being tested. I'm done being played with. I'm done being with. Complicated! Why can't anything just go right? Why can't anything just go smoothly? Hey, what if I...
Well, the reason they drug you through 3 interviews is because they needed some time to validate that your ass was crazy. They suspected that your ass was crazy in interview number 1. Interview number 2, they're like, I think his ass is crazy. But when you got to number 3, they knew for a fact his ass was crazy. Listen, if you want to, stick your finger in an outlet, throw a toaster in the bath water, whatever it is, if you think it's that, do you, dog? Do you? Do you? Now, I mean, listen, obviously I'm not advocating for any type of violence, but come on, bro. Settle down a little bit. Get yourself together, pick yourself up, and let's get back to it. Like you saying here is, I thought 25 was going to be fun. No, 25 is not supposed to be fun, bro. 25 is not supposed to be fun. 25, you're supposed to be getting it. You're supposed to be grinding. You're supposed to be laying the foundation, what's going to be there for the rest of your life. But if you go out here and you do your thing and you got your bandanas on and you think it's going to be fun and all that kind of stuff, nah, it ain't gonna be fun. What are you talking about? You go and you lay your foundation at 25, right? You should be out of college if you decide to go. If you decide to go and get some type of community college, certification or trade or whatever it is, you should be, for the most part, done at 25. You're now maybe an apprentice and you're building yourself. You're building yourself. That's what you're doing at 25. You shouldn't be trying to drive in the fanciest car, spending all the money, eating at the fanciest restaurants, staying in the $3,000-$4,000 a month townhouse that you got in the center of downtown. You shouldn't do that at 25. It's not time for that. You should be hitting it. That doesn't mean that you can't hang out every once in a while and have a good time, but man, this is when you lay the foundation. What you do right now at 25 lays the foundation for what's going to come down the road. I know you've heard this before. It's not about just having fun. It's laying the foundation. Laying the foundation. Dude, I don't know what you've done. I don't know if you've gone to school. I don't know if you finished college. I don't know if you finished a trade or whatever it is. But that's what these years are all about. Come back and holler at me in 10, 15 years. Things may be a little bit different. But 25, it's all about the foundation, bro. It ain't about having fun. Go do that. You go, do what you're supposed to do, hit it, work hard, work two jobs, whatever you got to do. But you go get it at 25. Man, please, do your thing, bro. Go get it. Appreciate it.